We were
Then
talking about one of the big concepts of our practice and of our healing work is around that concept of yin and yang. And we know that the moon and the sun are like one of the best yin yang
yeah,
visuals and teachers that we have, with the moon doing all of its work in one beautiful, like you said, there it is shining on you on the road that one day, that big blast of light, and the sun every day, steady, constant, all
yeah,
that power in a different kind of a way. It's almost reminding me of the particle and the wave or something. So there's a lot of beautiful lessons in ways to see yin and yang and balance, and especially the balance that we're coming up to with the solstice ahead.
oh my gosh, that's right. Yeah, it's another visible, invisible moment too, because the moon sort of stays hidden until it's full,
Yeah.
and then there it is, you know. So
Oh,
the power of the yin of the moon is so powerful, and we know the sun has to shine every day, and they're both essential. And
yeah.
I was starting to tell you before we got on this live that
Yeah.
I heard this. It's available, some kind of podcast that traces the history of the Earth from the cloud of dust, the nebula cloud of dust, and the arrival of the moon. You know, the moon has supposedly happened because a Mars-sized object hit the Earth and knocked off the moon. And while they were both forming, so the moon formed, you think about like clay spinning, you know, the moon formed and the Earth formed. But the presence of the moon stabilizes the Earth so that we have seasons. Otherwise, we'd be spinning in all kinds of rotations and the seasons wouldn't be regular. But we have regular seasons. So among other things that the moon does, it gives us regular seasons. And we are about to, you know, here we're in the summer season, and also with the solstice coming, you know, all these things are, you know, they're all interconnected. Everything's connected. And like you said, we're all about balance and seeing these changes happen in such a beautiful flowing way that allows, you know, life, you know, agriculture, plants, you know, to grow, and this, you know, amazing balance that's going on that supports life.
Hmm.
Really fantastic.
And it's very biological. I mean, there's nothing, there's, there are very concrete aspects to energy moving and seeing energy. And this is a beautiful, concrete sort of biological show that you're describing about the relationship of the moon and the sun and Mother Earth, that we're all in it together. So the moon is kind of the child of the earth. The earth spun off a little chunk of itself and sent it out to do this, to be in this relationship.